Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the app with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen, and then all we have to do is to tap on the settings icon, which is at the top of the keyboard. Now let's enter the languages, and this is the list of currently applied languages. We've got, of course, only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. Of course, you do not have to scroll, you can just tap on the search icon right here and enter the name of the language. So basically, after finding your language, simply tap on it. Of course, sometimes you will be able to pick the region, it depends on the language, so just tap on it. And the same situation with the keyboard layouts, it again depends on the language. Sometimes you will be able to use only one of them, or even up to 5 different or 7 different keyboard types. So let me pick this order one, as it is more graphic and you will be able to see the difference. So let me mark it and untick this option, so I will apply only this one. Let's tap on done. And as you can see, the Urdu language has been applied to the list. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And basically here we will have 2 differences. Right now only one is visible. It is the language key. So right now I'm freely typing on the English keyboard, and after tapping on it, I can switch to the Urdu one. Let me tap on it again, and we've got English. What is more, the second difference of the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So basically I've just shown you how to add the language to keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really want to have 2 different languages added, you just want to have one. So then we have to enter the settings, tap on the languages again, and in this section we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. Now we can go back. And as you can see, the globe icon disappeared and the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we've got only one language applied, in my case, of course, English. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.